Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Daniel here. I'm here today again to show you another boiler. My channel, I'll get to that on another stage. The boiler I'm going to do today, I'm going to take out a Worcester. The PCB has gone on it, and also the boiler kept on overheating, so in my advice, it's beyond economical repair. You can put in the comments below what you think of that diagnostic. The boiler is a Worcester. I'll turn the camera around. Worcester 24i RSF. If you guys know the model, there we are. It's 24 kilowatt. I'm gonna strip this out and update it with an ideal. So hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be mainly pictures. I'm going to try to put the some of the install inside of it as well. I hope you like. Thank you. Like and subscribe. What's actually happened here is boiler is actually not firing up for heating hot water. The air pressure switch is working fine, pump's working fine, fan is also pushing, but it's just not sparking. But there's power going to every bit that it needs to fire up. It's just not going past the board. And before that breakdown, the boiler kept overheating. There's a reset switch right here, and it kept on popping. Came here twice. Second time it was the pump. I took out the pump and it had stopped spinning. It had a bit of dirt behind it. Cleaned it out and then it started spinning again. And then a week later, the diagnosis is not the same. No heating hot water at all. PCB doesn't seem to push any power through. So yeah, that's what we got here. Here we go under here. I've already taken the panel off under. So I'm just gonna. I've already isolated the mains, which is nice and local for me. Gas is downstairs. I've already tested and checked that out. So I'm doing that now. Right, just to update where we're at. As you saw from the photo, the flue is just coming out, and I'm ready to take the board off the wall. In the comments, that would be lovely if you guys can help me find a way, because at the moment I'm doing this on my mobile phone. I'm always trying to invest. I have a handheld camera, but it's big and bulky. Maybe I'll find out the name and I'll put it in the comments. I don't know if that's a good camera to use. The memory's good on it, and yeah, it'll just help me in this situation, so I can show you how I take the boiler off. At the moment I can only take the boiler off and then show you the after pictures, but this is how the boiler is where it is at the moment. So flue's out, you can see. So I've taken the flue out. It's a nice hole. I should be able to reuse that hole and adjust the flue to a nice fall on the new condensing one. And as you saw from the photos, all the no light there, but all the pipes are out. Electrics is only on a plug. There was no room set, so yeah. It's what I found out too. It's not a cavity wall, so I don't know if you can see. there's no cavity in the wall. So yeah, that answers a few questions. I'm sure you guys will know what I mean. See you in a bit.